Look at the condition of this bag. It says how delayed this haul is. So I did post on my Snapchat when I was at Zara that if you want the exact same pieces, you should head to Zara now. If you're not following me on Snapchat and if you want the pieces that I usually shop for, then follow me because I post it there on the spot that okay, these are some of the pieces I've bought from here and XYZ place and there's a sale. So yeah, that's what I use Snapchat for. Do follow me if that's what you want. And I am dying to wear these clothes. Even my mom doesn't know what all I've shopped for. I'm like, no, even you wait till the haul. So yeah, let's start. The very first thing is actually this V-neck t-shirt, and this has a story behind it. I had to go to a meeting, and on my way, I don't know from where, I wasn't even wearing a cheap backpack, but suddenly there's a huge black stain on my plain white t-shirt, and I'm like, what do I do now? And I had 2 meetings on that day. So I just rushed to Zara and bought this plain V-neck t-shirt, and I love how deep it is because it just looks so much sexier, and I love how stark white it is. My t-shirt was actually so yellow and I didn't realize till I bought this. So this is my first purchase. I love how I can play around with this by either tying a knot or rolling my sleeves up or just leaving it as it is. Okay, now there is one more thing which I bought quite a long time back, and at that time I didn't know I was going to shop at Zara. So I just bought this one t-shirt. I really like it. I love how this brings so much attention to the waist. So one of you asked me where would I recommend to buy bondos from? Zara or Forever 21, because their bondos fit really well and local stores sell not so good quality and fit bondos for a very high price. So I love this one because firstly it stays in place and secondly it has a sweetheart neckline. See, this gives quite good coverage and it does not budge at all from its place. So everything over here is from the basic range. Now the reason why I did that was firstly the price point, and secondly these things I can wear them till 2 years or 3 years because these are not trendy fast fashion pieces. These are normal basic things. So yeah, they are just so nice in quality. The pop of color, the design, I love everything about the basic range. This black crop top, this is really unique. So you can give this a casual look by having the sleeves like this, but if you want to make it a bit more evening-esque, then you just have to bring it down and make it into an off-shoulder top. The next thing I have is this plain white t-shirt. Now it's hard to find a plain white t-shirt which is perfect and doesn't show your brow all the time. And this one is like that. Also it has extra pieces to tie knots, but you can also wrap it around. You can either tie a massive knot like this. This is how it was displayed at the mall, but you can also just wrap it around, and I think that's like more of my preference. Just tuck these bits away and make it a bit normal, but yeah, you can wear this 2 ways. So I love layering, and this one just stays in place. It has a high neckline and hence this would be perfect to wear under any jumpsuit or any strappy dress. Again, flowy, fitted, and hence perfect to wear under strappy things. Look at the color of this. It has a ruffle kind of a pocket, so this is what I like. It is slightly in trend because ruffles are in trend, but it's still super basic and it fits very well. I love it. I have to stop saying I love it because I love everything, so stop that. See how the tiny pocket is such an elegant touch? This one is the most trendy piece I picked up in this shopping spree. Look at the tiny bit of ruffle on the sleeve. And again, this is small but it's slightly big, so knots can fix everything. Okay, so this is the same as the white t-shirt, The first one, it's a deep v-neck, and I love v-necks as I had declared on Snapchat. See how the v-neck and the drop shoulder complement each other so well. Next I have something very different, edgy, experimental, in short me. I thought this would look super vacation-y, but it doesn't. It looks really different and I loved how it looked. This material is my least favorite of all things, but it looked really nice and it's not that bad. It's just a bit worse than the other ones. Also, I bought this in an M because small wasn't available and I did not want to miss it. Next I have something I bought just because of its color. Just look at the color. I bought more colors and patterns in that same fit because it looks really nice. This fit is also so perfect to wear under dungarees and play suits. You know, I have the most amount of tolerance for embarrassment, like I just don't get embarrassed. I tried 50 freaking items and bought just 20. I mean, I was just picking up heaps and going to the trial room. Heaps and going to the trial room. And I didn't care what anybody thought of me. So yeah, and this is when I realized that fitting really matters. Before this I would just buy something because I liked it, but now I have learned from this shopping experience that fitting matters. There were so many things that looked nice on the mannequin or just looked nice when I picked it up, but they didn't look that nice on me. So this is something I've learned and I'm happy I did. Moving on to the next bag, I am so happy with myself that I bought so much of color. The first thing is this pink t-shirt. Again, the color and the material is very different from others. It's very stretchy and it is more structured than other ones, and hence I had to pick up a large because that's how it fit me. I love that this is not baby pink, but this is like the perfect shade of normal pink. Graphic t-shirts, like the edgy band kind of grungy t-shirts, are in super trend, but I haven't found the perfect t-shirt unless this one. Look at it. It's just the perfect graphic t-shirt. This is the most well-fitting t-shirt out of all, and I love such t-shirts because they can make you look like you're in shape even though you're not. So my wardrobe lacks sporty items, and look at this. When I wore this, it looked so nice, sporty, the color, the ribs. When I went to the last IPL match, I wore a blooming embroidered bodysuit. That's not something you wear when you go to watch a match. So yeah, when I picked this up, I was like, next IPL, and before that in summers. It's just that I love that this pattern can be feminine and sporty at the same time. I also bought a white. I did pick up a couple of whites because see, plain white t-shirts are an essential, and usually finding the perfect white t-shirt is tough, and even if you do, sometimes they're really expensive, like above 1,000 rupees. So when I saw that okay, there are a lot of whites that I like and they fit me really well, I just bought them. So yeah, this is one of those, and also because it's sporty. So 2 sporty t-shirts are essential. This screams sports. Next I have the same t-shirt as the pink one but in the red color. Look at the freaking color! This can also be such an outgoing kind of a look because of the finish. And lastly, in the same material, I bought this one because I found this looked really smart. Stripes are my cup of tea, but they have to be really smart or looking nice. I just cannot wear random stripes. So yeah, I really like this one. The smartness that this beams out, that is exactly why I bought this. And the last thing is one of my favorites. This V-neck yellow t-shirt. Look at how bright and happy this is. I am so going to wear this on some gloomy day and make everyone who sees this happy because this is such a lively t-shirt. That, my friends, was the entire haul. I am happy. This is my best haul. This is my most favorite haul. These are the best things I've bought lately, and I think this one will be a haul I always remember, a shopping spree I'll always remember. It was my dream to shop for as much as I want at Zara, and I did. So yeah, thank you so much for watching it, and do like the video if you enjoyed the haul. My social media details will be in the description box below. You can go and check that out, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Goodbye!